Hey there, we're here with Homesteading with Blue Sky Ranch, and today my wonderful husband is going to install,
An
um,
automatic chicken water trough, or you can use it for cows, pigs, anything you got.
and we've already hooked it up to the cows, so we'll show you that too, but this is gonna save me a lot of time. So we're here in our chicken coop, and what have we got going on today, Tom?
Well, I've got this stainless steel automatic pet water trough, and I've already installed it on a pallet here that I put on the walls just so the water wouldn't spray the siding, and
Obviously, you can attach this to whatever you want to, as long as it's something that's
you can.
sturdy.
Now, one thing I did, I had to go to the hardware store and get this adapter. It's a 1/2 inch to 3/4 hose. And so hopefully it's going to work on this hose that comes with it, the stainless steel line. It's
So
just
it's
like a regular.
basically like a sink hose that we
Yeah,
use in our house.
yeah.
So the purpose of this is that we want our chickens to have fresh water daily, and there's a float in there that will automatically fill the water.
Okay, this is all theory right now. It looks like it's down at a little angle, but we'll see how that works.
Yeah, and we're trying to put it at their height. We hopefully they don't get up there and poop on it, because that would kind of defeat the whole purpose of clean water.
I will raise it up if they do.
Yeah, we'll have to raise it up a little bit, but we just want them to be able to put their head in there.
Yep.
So Tom's got it all connected here. And remember, this can be used for any pet. I mean, a dog, a cat, anybody, as long as you have fresh water to have a hose connected to it,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
I mean, it's sold on Amazon,
Yes.
but we're trying it out for chickens.
Now, this is our first tryout here. I'm going to go turn the water on and you see what happens.
All right, the water's on and it's filling up.
I don't hear it.
What do you mean it's running?
Is it still running?
Yeah, it's still filling up,
Oh,
but we do have a little leak going on, so we'll have to figure that out on our connection.
yeah. I was wondering if I had to put shims behind there to shore it up, or maybe I have to adjust it.
Right, it's not quite flat, so we'll see how this works and if it turns off. You can see the water spraying under there. That must be where it fills it, the bowl. I can hear it turning off though. All right, this is the moment. We'll see. Does it keep going? Does it turn off? How much was this thing on Amazon,
I think
Tom?
it was $32. I'll have to double check though.
So we'll see. We'll see what we're getting for the money.
But yeah, when the chicken drinks it, it should go down and then refill up just like that.
There you go. It
So it's
turned
actually looks like it's set pretty good.
right. So this is just like a toilet bowl.
Yep,
I mean, the same theory, and it looks like it's turned off.
pretty well adjusted.
Pretty well adjusted. So to keep the dogs or the chickens or whatever pet you have from, I guess, sitting on it, bathing in it, or
No,
birds, what's this for?
no. This comes on it. This just protects the float. And I took this off so I could access these screw holes back here, so I could put these two screws into the wood.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can see you're not going to be able to get to them.
Oh, and I guess the float should stay out of the sun too, so it doesn't get brittle.
But yeah, there you go, something like that.
Yeah.
That's the
It
way that
just,
works. But yeah,
yeah, it keeps that float from, I guess, a dog messing with it. If you use this for a dog or a goat or anybody who might be a little tougher. And also keeps it out of the sun for getting brittle from the heat.
yeah, right, very good.
This is a pretty cool invention, and again, this is going to give our chickens fresh water all day, every day, as long as it's nice weather and not freezing. Obviously, you couldn't use this in the winter.
Nope.
So that's our really cool way that we're going to give our chickens fresh water. So we're going to go show you what we're doing for the cows next.